Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm starting a little mini series. This is kind of like for Vlogmas, where every weekday in the month of December, I'm going to be sharing a DIY project. Now these will be probably quick little simple things that you can make. Some of them might be gift ideas, some might be decorating ideas for Christmas. Some things are just random decor pieces. So if you're interested in this series, I hope you stick around. And for this video, I'm going to be sharing a project that I made out of a tree branch from my yard. So if you're interested in what I'm going to be putting together with this tree branch, then I hope you keep watching. This is what I'm going to use to make coasters. Gotta take this inside, clean it up, and cut it up. So the next step is to just fill these in. As you can see, the wood split on the side, and that's on pretty much all of them. So this last set I have here, I'm just going to fill this in with some clay, because the worst thing is to have a coaster that's supposed to protect your furniture from any condensation or liquid, and then for the liquid to just run straight through here and get onto the furniture would just defeat the purpose. So I'm going to fill this in with some clay, let it dry, and then sand it down. And then once it's sanded down, I'll cover the entire thing with few layers of polyurethane, and that's going to seal this up. And then we'll make a little case for these to go in to store them, and also be given as possibly as gifts. So these would make a cute little gift idea. So these four here are already dry, and I'm just going to sand these down. These are all completed, the coasters. So now I'm just gonna make something to hold these when they're not being used. And that's gonna be made out of these tumbling tower blocks. So the first thing we're gonna do is glue these together in sets of 3. And then we're going to take one going the vertical way and glue it next to one going horizontally, like that. And now we're going to take the opposite, so these both sides are vertical and these two are horizontal, so we're going to flip it so that it gets glued together like this. And then the next thing I'm going to do is take 8 more and glue each of these together. Now we have those 4 pieces like that, and we're going to glue each one to the side, evenly spaced in the middle. So it's just going to be glued like this. And this is what it's going to look like when it's completely dry. I've already worked on this one and I sanded it down a little bit just to get rid of the rough edges. And this is going to be the coaster holder. We'll take a set of the coasters. These are all fully dry from the polyurethane, and just place them right into this little holder here. And here they are. They just sit right in that little space, and you just use them as you need them and then put them back in. And then we can just put a nice little ribbon on this to make it cute, like a little gift to give to someone. So I made 3 sets of these, and I'll just show you how it might look when it's wrapped up.